With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello guys, the question is a ball falls from height h over an inclined plane of inclination 30 degree as shown in. After the collision, the ball moves horizontally. The coefficient of restitution is okay. In this question, we have to find the coefficient of restitution. For solving this, first of all we have to make diagrams. Which is two diagrams. First one is before collision, and another one is after collision. Okay, after one is after collision. This is before collision. This one is before collision, and this one is after collision. Okay, now the ball has a velocity v in downward direction. Velocity v in downward direction. So this will be v cos theta. Sorry, this angle will be theta. So this will be v cos theta, and this side will be v sin theta. This side will also be theta. So its velocity component parallel to the inclined plane remains constant. Its velocity parallel component will be remains constant, and the perpendicular to the plane changes from v cos theta to v dash after the collision. This one is our v dash. This is our v sin theta, and this one is an angle theta. Okay, now after the collision, v cos theta will be v dash. Therefore v dash minus 0 by minus v cos theta minus 0, subtract 0, which is equals to minus of e. That is v dash is equals to EV cos theta, EV cos theta. Now, okay. Now, as the ball moves in horizontal direction after the collision, it make an angle theta with inclined plane. So therefore, it makes like an angle theta. Therefore, tan theta will be V dash by V sin theta. This comes from the figure. This tan theta value comes from the figure. Then tan theta will be V dash, as we know that V dash will be EV cos theta. So EV cos theta by V sin theta. As we know that cos theta by sin theta, which is E is equals to tan square theta. Now, as we know that the value of theta will be 30 degree. The value of theta will be 30 degree is given. So E is equals to tan square 30 degree, which is equals to 1 by 3, and this is the value of E. This is our final answer.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.